Alright, we're starting our stay at Cap Maison. We're in room number 1. This is the start of the villa. There's Amy. She's about to order room service for lunch. Off the entrance is a little half bath. Pretty standard. There's the front door. This is a closet, doesn't have anything in it. There's a washer and dryer in here. We will probably never be doing clothes. And here's the kitchen, pretty large. They stocked the fridge with some liquor, beer. We got a bottle of champagne when we got in last night. Over here is a little table where you can eat at. Awesome views outside. Looks like a jungle. This is the main room. Big table, although there's only 2 of us. Over here is a little family room. TV, which we will probably never turn on. Behind these doors is our private pool. Here's our little private pool with a little table. It's a pretty good size, actually. And then out here, got a little side yard. And then just past there is the public pool. Awesome views of the water. Back inside. This part is not air conditioned, but going over towards the master, which is. And here's the master. This part does have air conditioning, it's pretty awesome. Around here, the corner, here's the closet. This door's a little side area you can sit at, look at the jungle. Pretty relaxing. And back through here, there's the bed, standard king. And this is the bathroom. It's a pretty good size. There's a sink there, there's a sink here, tub in the middle. Also a good size. It doesn't have jets, but that's cool. Then here's a stand-up shower. You can open up these windows if you want some fresh air. And then toilet, pretty standard. And last thing is there's this other little side porch. I don't really know what you do out here other than just stand. It's pretty skinny. But anyhow, that's it. Cap Maison. It's a pretty awesome place.